Stem cells are the fundamental building blocks of the human body. These cells can self-renew, but also differentiate or change in their morphology from one cell type to another, usually a more specialized type, and reproduce any tissue, such as heart, muscle, cartilage, bone, or even liver tissue. Newborns have a large number of circulating stem cells that are necessary for development and can help them recover quickly from infectious diseases and injuries. As we age, the amounts of circulating stem cells in the body begin to decrease each year, gradually making healing more difficult as we age. But the good news is that even in adulthood, humans can produce new stem cells. What's more, according to research from Rutgers University, New Jersey, USA, it turns out that even in adulthood, we can produce new brain cells. These special stem cells are called neural stem cells. They can renew themselves and create new neurons as well as other cells that help keep our brains healthy. This discovery has led to a lot of exciting research in the field of adult neurogenesis. In addition, the specific protein known as insulin receptor INSR, which is abundant in neural stem cells, was identified. INSR plays a crucial role in sustaining and maintaining a population of specialized cancer cells. But when this insulin receptor was inactivated in these cancer cells, growth was blocked. Inactivating this insulin receptor in cancer cells stopped the growth of these primitive tumor-forming cells. According to the Rutgers scientists, cells have a kind of lock on their surface called cell receptor, such as the INSR. These protein molecules can be activated by natural or man-made substances to cause the cell to divide, grow, or die. By understanding what the receptors and how they work in different types of cells, scientists can create substances in laboratories that act as keys to turn these receptors on or off. Inactivation of the INSR that inhibits the growth of tumor-forming cells has only recently been discovered. The question is whether disactivating INSR would promote the formation of new neural stem cells. The question here is really if eating a diet that controls insulin production or even fasting also contribute to the formation of new neural cells. Well, we know that a diet where insulin production is controlled as well as the practice of intermittent fasting can have beneficial effects both in the regulation of blood sugar, as we know in diabetes, as well as in the prevention or treatment of diseases such as cancer or Alzheimer's disease. However, it is important to remember that each person is unique and results may vary. So it is best to consult with your doctor or dietitian before making certain changes to your diet. Regarding neural stem cells, some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may promote brain regeneration and plasticity, which may include the generation of new neural stem cells. However, more research is needed to fully understand the effects and implications of these practices on neural stem cell generation. If you are a healthy person and want to produce and or use your own circulating stem cells, meaning the ones that have in use, the Stem Cell Institute in Thailand provides 6 ways to do so. First, intermittent fasting is considered a stem cell activator and has been found to trigger rapid cell regeneration. Now, incorporating stem cell-friendly foods into your diet is a critical first step in stimulating natural cell growth. Among these foods, berries such as blackberries, goji berries, pomegranate, blueberries, and raspberries help to enhance the enzyme superoxide dismutase, which is a potent antioxidant. Cruciferous vegetables such as cauliflower, broccoli, kale, Chinese cabbage, watercress, and Brussels sprouts are some of the best foods for stem cell growth. These vegetables are full of sulforaphane, a compound that stimulates enzymes in the liver which counteract harmful toxins that we may ingest or inhale. Mushrooms such as maitake and shiitake are rich in micronutrients known as polyphenols. Seafood and oily fish are other potent and natural activators of adult stem cells, as they contain several omega-3 fatty acids, including eicosapentaenoic acid, or EPA. EPA is most commonly found in cold water fatty fish, such as tuna, salmon, mackerel, or herring. People who smoke do not heal as well as non-smokers. Also, frequent alcohol consumption leads to liver disease and brain oxidative stress due to chronic neuroinflammation. And this is really complicating the production of stem cells. Frequent exercise or going to the gym has many positive effects, and we all know that. But specifically, strenuous physical activities lead to a rapid increase in the total number of circulating endothelial progenitor cells, and also to the formation of new blood vessels and capillaries, thus improving the blood supply to the heart. A reduction of nightly sleep to 4 hours instead of 8 decreases the migration capacity of stem cells by almost 50%, whereas adequate sleep cycles of 7 to 8 hours do the opposite and renew quantitative and qualitative indices of circulating stem cells. Toxic products and environmental chemicals can reduce stem cell activation in the body. So before buying products such as sunscreen, cleansers, detergents, and personal care products, it is important to read labels and do your research. Finally, avoid antibiotics and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs as much as possible, as they can weaken your gut flora and increase your risk of autoimmune and other diseases. Opt for natural products such as essential oils, turmeric, or even fish oil. By choosing this approach, by adopting these habits, you are taking a bold step to enhance your body's and brain function, efficiency, and overall well-being. You are in control of your own health, and we can harness the wonder that is our own body to achieve the best possible results. If you like this video, please click on the like icon. Remember to subscribe on the red button and turn on the little bell to receive notifications every time there is something new to learn in nature's way in the art to heal yourself. See you soon.